Okay, so I mean, in this day and age, really the importance of sustainability and green operations cannot be overstated. So, can you speak to us about how MQTT and Sparkplug can affect the sustainability and environmental goals of the company?
Absolutely. One common misconception about digital technology is that it's green somehow. But even the cloud is not really green because all of those servers that are somewhere, right? The cloud is actually a set of data centers somewhere, and they consume a lot of electricity, right? And of course, depending on the source of this electricity, this means that your cloud is actually contributing to global warming and things like that. Now, of course, one potential thing you can do is to use renewable energy sources, so that's great, but you can go further. And Sparkplug helps from that perspective in two ways. The first way is really the focus of Sparkplug is really to reduce bandwidth consumption, right? The payloads are lightweight. The lack of polling response means that you will get updated data whenever you need them, but otherwise you are not sending useless messages all the time just to keep a connection alive or something like that. So all of that means that you consume much less bandwidth, which means that ultimately you consume much less power. And on the top of it, Sparkplug encodes everything in binary. So essentially, it's an efficient way to take even less space on the wire, so to speak. And so this translates once again to energy savings. The second dimension is something that people don't really realize about open source. Sparkplug is an open specification, and it's got open source implementation at the Eclipse Foundation, which means that people that leverage Sparkplug are not busy reinventing the wheel with their own solution to the problem. And by doing that, what they do is to contribute to sustainability and circular economy in the sense that by using and leveraging an existing technology, you build whatever you need to build to address a problem, but you use proven building blocks that have already been debugged, that have already been developed. And that, once again, is a more effective use of resources. You focus your resource on the new stuff you need, and you leverage the building blocks that are available in the ecosystem. And this makes the whole solution greener for sure.